Fourthwall versus Teespring. Which creator platform is better? Choosing the right creator platform can completely change how you monetize your brand without complicated setups. Fourthwall and Teespring offer distinct approaches to help creators sell merchandise and build their audience. Fourthwall and Teespring are popular platforms for creators to launch merchandise stores. The core difference lies in Fourth's focus on brand control and direct fan engagement, while Teespring emphasizes ease of use and a broad marketplace for creators of all sizes. Fourthwall is a creator commerce platform designed to give artists and influencers full control over their brand experience. It works by allowing creators to build custom storefronts integrated with their existing social channels, offering merchandise, memberships, and digital products. Fourthwall handles fulfillment and customer service, so creators can focus on content. Its strengths include deep customization, direct fan relationships, and multiple revenue streams beyond just merch. However, it requires more setup and marketing effort from creators, which can be challenging for beginners. Fourthwall is ideal for creators who want to build a professional, branded store with a loyal fan base and are ready to engage directly with their audience to maximize revenue. Teespring, now known as Spring, is a print-on-demand platform that simplifies merchandise creation and sales for creators. It works by offering an easy-to-use design interface and automated production, shipping, and customer service. Creators can quickly launch products without upfront costs or inventory management. Teespring's strengths are its user-friendly setup, integration with social media platforms, and access to a large marketplace that can attract new customers. Limitations include less brand customization and reliance on the platform's marketplace for exposure. Teespring suits creators who want a fast, low-risk way to start selling merchandise without needing advanced technical skills or a large existing audience. Comparing Fourth and Teespring highlights key trade-offs. Fourthwall offers more brand control and diversified revenue options, making it better for creators with an established audience seeking deeper engagement. It demands more effort in setup and marketing, but rewards with a tailored experience. Teespring excels in simplicity and speed, ideal for new creators or those testing merch without upfront investment. Its marketplace can boost discoverability but limits branding flexibility. For example, a musician wanting a personalized store and fan memberships would benefit from Fourthwall. Meanwhile, a casual content creator looking to quickly monetize with minimal hassle might prefer Teespring. Ultimately, the choice depends on your goals for brand identity and how hands-on you want to be. Choose Fourthwall if you want full control over your brand, direct fan engagement, and multiple monetization options beyond just merchandise sales. Opt for Teespring if you prioritize ease of use, quick setup, and low risk, especially if you're starting out or want to leverage a built-in marketplace. Both platforms serve creators depending on your business model and growth strategy.